Okay, so we're diving deep today into Cardano.
Yeah.
You've been following this one for a while.
Yeah.
Things are heating up, to say the least.
Definitely seeing some action.
And you want to know what's behind this huge surge in Cardano's value.
Definitely. It's been pretty wild, hasn't it?
Yeah. 33% jump in just one day.
Yeah.
That's crazy, even for crypto.
Well, absolutely. That's not your everyday fluctuation.
So we're going to break it all down.
Yeah, let's figure it out.
Why is this happening? What does it mean? Is this the start of something bigger for Cardano?
I think so. I mean, look, that 33% jump, it's not just some random spike.
Right.
This actually pushed Cardano right to the top
Yeah.
of all the top 100 cryptocurrencies out there.
No kidding.
In terms of gains, I mean, this is the leader.
That's it?
That kind of movement
Yeah.
that tells you something is going on.
What's that?
Investors are changing their minds
Oh, really?
about Cardano. Big time.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Well, and it's not just percentages, right? We're talking serious money here.
Absolutely.
That surge, it took Cardano up to like
I see.
59 cents
594, yeah.
earlier today,
Earlier today.
which we haven't seen that since April.
It's been a while.
That's a big jump. It's got to make people think like,
Sure.
is this the beginning?
Mm-hmm.
Are we seeing a real trend here?
April is really the key here.
How so?
That price point, it's like a wall, psychologically. For investors, I mean,
Gotcha.
breaking through that
Yeah.
could be a huge signal. Oh, like a new bull run starting for Cardano.
Right.
Remember how much momentum matters in crypto?
Oh, totally. Yeah, it's all about the buzz.
Exactly.
Okay, so we've got this price surge, but there's also this jump in market cap too, right?
Well, absolutely. Big time.
What's it at now?
Cardano's sitting pretty at $20 billion.
Whoa.
That's market cap.
20 billion for real.
Yeah, which puts it at, let's see, ninth largest cryptocurrency out there.
Wow. I mean, that puts it in the big leagues.
Oh, yeah, no question.
Okay, so what does that actually mean? Like, is it just a ranking or is it something bigger?
It's bigger than just a number, for sure.
Oh.
It means Cardano's not just playing catch-up. It's becoming a real major player.
Wow, that's huge. So that 20 billion?
Yeah.
It's more than just a valuation.
It's a statement
Okay.
about how much influence Cardano's gaining.
That's super interesting.
And that influence, it pulls in more investors.
Makes sense.
You can see it in the trading volume, too.
Oh, yeah. What's that looking like?
Over $2 billion in Cardano.
2 billion in one day.
Just today, yeah, changing hands.
Wow. That's a lot of action.
Tons of activity, yeah, no doubt.
So I guess the question is,
Mm-hmm.
what's making Cardano so hot right now? Is it just the price or is there something else?
That's the question, isn't it?
Right.
It's exciting to see the price go up,
Yeah.
but you got to look deeper.
Okay.
What's going on underneath?
Okay, what is it then?
Cardano does things differently. That's the thing.
What do you mean?
Like their whole approach.
Right.
They're not like Bitcoin. They use proof of stake.
What's that?
It's a different way to run things.
Okay.
Way more energy efficient.
Really?
Yeah, so much better than proof of work.
Interesting.
Yeah, it's kind of a big deal.
So they're thinking about the environment.
Exactly. And a lot of investors, they care about that.
Oh, for sure. Yeah.
It's a big plus for Cardano.
That makes sense. I didn't even think about that.
But there's more.
What else?
Cardano, they're serious about research, too.
Research.
Yeah, like academic research.
Right.
Every single thing they do, every step,
Yeah.
it's all got to be vetted by experts.
Like scientists and stuff.
Professors, yeah, the whole academic world.
Wow, that's pretty unusual for crypto, isn't it?
Yeah, it sets them apart.
So they're not just rushing things.
Not at all. They want to do it right.
That's interesting.
Builds a lot of trust, too.
Makes sense.
People feel like this is legit.
Okay, so big price jump, huge market cap,
Yep.
and this whole different approach.
And the research, don't forget. That
Oh, right. Yeah, the research.
all adds up.
So for someone who's been watching Cardano,
Uh-huh.
what's the big takeaway from all this?
I think the main thing is Cardano's at a turning point.
Oh, really?
It's make or break time, yeah.
Wow, how so?
Everyone's talking about the price, of course.
Right.
But look at what's underneath.
Okay.
It feels different this time.
You think so?
Yeah, it's not just a temporary thing.
Oh, so you're saying...
It could be something much bigger.
Wow. Okay, so the question is,
Yeah.
can they keep this going?
Yeah, can they keep the momentum up?
That's the, what is it, the $1 million question?
Or the $20 billion question, right?
Exactly. So any thoughts on what might happen? What could push Cardano forward or hold it back?
Well, a few things to keep in mind.
Yeah.
What kind of new technology comes out
Okay, yeah.
from Cardano? That's going to be huge.
Makes sense.
Partnerships, too.
Partnerships, okay.
That could really expand their reach.
Oh, yeah, I see.
And then, of course, there's the whole regulation thing.
Oh, right. Always a factor with crypto.
Absolutely. That could change everything.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, a lot to watch.
It's definitely going to be interesting.
Oh, for sure.
Well, thanks for breaking it down for us. That was really helpful.
No problem. Happy to do it.
So, to everyone listening,
Yeah.
Cardano's on the move.
Definitely making some moves.
It's a big deal. But the question is,
Yeah.
what happens next?
That's the one.
Where's it going?
Keep watching. That's all I can say.
Definitely will. Things are just getting started.
Oh, yeah. This is just the beginning.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
Happy investing.
See you next time.
See ya.